And we have Alexa sitting on the back of the boat. She so badly wanted to go on the boat today. She got her wish by getting to sit within a big umbrella. And here's Alex. He's going to catch the big one.
Cut.
Cut? Uh-oh. Cut. Oh, uh-oh. I think I just turned it on. Yep, it's on record. Uh-oh.
Hi. What about get a close-up on Moi? No, just kidding.
We'll turn around, Ma. I just got a close-up on you. There you go. Cutie little pie. Look at those sweet little eyes. Ah!
No pictures, please.
No filming allowed. This is closed
No filming
set.
on the boat.
This is a
All
closed
right.
set here.
They don't want me to witness the fact that they're fishing in the cold rain when we all are starving for dinner. All right. Over and out.